Izzy?
See, I told you they were crazy.
She is. Who's crazier? Debate who's crazier.
I think Izzy's crazier.
Izzy! Izzy! Izzy!
You just touched a frog.
You have to be on different sides. She didn't touch a frog.
Yes, she did.
She did not.
She touched a
I did not touch a frog. Gosh. Really? Really? They're dealing with some problems now.
No,
so
we're not.
watch the. So just watch.
No.
Just watch the Ellie and Izzy show.
No, do not.
And theirs.
Bye.